Fennel. When selecting fennel, we want to make sure that the skin has minimal bruising and isn't dry. It should look hydrated. We also want the fronds to look vibrant and perky as opposed to wilted. And you can always pick these fronds off and use them as a garnish. First step is to remove the stems, so lay your fennel flat and slice them off at the base. And the first method is to simply slice these into thin rounds, which you can use in stocks, salads, and poaching liquids. Next, I'll slice the bulb lengthwise down the middle. So as you can see with the root now exposed, we can remove that by angling our knife and carving it out. And there's our halved bulb without the root. A popular method is to use a mandolin, and here we're shaving it with the top side flat against the blade. And these create beautiful thin strips that can be pickled or used as a garnish. Depending on how you position the fennel against the mandolin, it will create different types of strips. These are great to incorporate into salads. We can also thinly slice them into any thickness we want, and the thicker they are, the more crisp they will be. And that is our fennel broken down.